Okay.
Okay. All right, this is the 2012 flight project. We're making 9 12-foot stainless steel birds that will be debuted in Grand Rapids, Michigan for ArtPrize 2012. The process that we use to make these birds are taking stainless steel sheets and cutting them into profile designs. The profile designs are then welded together through a process of TIG welding. TIG welding is using a tungsten inert gas welding. It's a small torch where you use an electric torch, filler rod, and a gas kettle. And we take the silhouettes or the flattened form and we weld them together in a process that's called, first we tack the whole piece together, and then once the entire piece is together we fuse it. And I'm going to go ahead and fuse a little just to show you how that goes before I finish tacking the whole thing, but just give you an example. So what we're doing here is now we're fusing it and we're joining the corners together. This TIG welding makes a nice rounded corner, and it makes cleaning it up and finishing the rest of the stainless steel a lot easier with the TIG welder. So you can see that has melted the metal right over. And what we would typically do is tack the whole piece and then fuse the whole piece. This is a finished wing that I've been working on. As you can see, there's the weld that goes completely around the entire perimeter of the wing. Anywhere there's a corner, there's been a weld. Once we have a wing or body all welded up, we go ahead and we wipe off this burn. Take down the burn and we round out that edge a little more using a flapper disc and a 4.5-inch grinder. Once the burn is completely off, then we put the finish pattern on there, and that is used the 4.5-inch grinder as well. See that pattern starting to form. That pattern will be spread out through the whole entire piece. Once the wing and the body is completely ground, we go back using a very similar method to the tacking. We weld the wings onto the body. Before the wings are welded up, there's bolts put on internally. You can see the holes on this piece, and they have nuts which eye hooks will be screwed into, which will allow the birds to hang. But that in a nutshell is the process we use to fabricate and weld up these birds. It was a quick little run through, and I hope you enjoyed it.